Hi guys, today I am gonna to teach you how to create YouTube channel art, YouTube channel banner like that. So if everybody don't know how to set the size and setting up size in Photoshop, so I will give you a PSD file which is free. You can just customize that, and you have to do just customize that channel art YouTube PSD files. So just as you can see here, I have a YouTube channel art a PSD file which is I will open in the Adobe Photoshop 2018. So 2018 you can use any type of YouTube, any type of the Photoshop software like 7.0, Adobe Photoshop CC, Adobe Photoshop CS4, any type of the software you can open this PSD file on there. So I will open this software PSD file in my Adobe Photoshop software. I will open it, and as you can see here, the Photoshop logo here appear, and it will be open in Adobe Photoshop because it is a PSD file, editable file. So you can just edit it. You don't need to any size there. And as you can see here, I will show you the complete size of this. I will show you this is the complete size of this this file. As I will go to the image and image size here. When I click on image size, as you can see the height and width here and resolutions. Height is 35.556 inches and 20 inches is the width. Okay, so the main point is I will tell you so how you can customize this PSD file for your YouTube channel art or banner. Okay, first thing you have to change the logo. As you can see here, everything channel, everything technical logo here, and I will show you the logo. It is here 11 here 11 the logo, my logo. I will add in the first place. You have to change this color as when this is you, as you can see here, the all layers of Adobe Photoshop, layers of your objects, all objects here you can on and off. As you can see here, it's my background color, and here if you gonna choose layer number 5, and as you can see here in the dimension sizes, as you can see here, from here to here, it is your this one from here and from here, and I will remove that lines, and then as you can see that here you can see the from here to here, there, like that, and that is the size of your cell phone, Android mobile, tablet, PC, TV. It is all the it will be fixed and fit on that all over. As you can see in my channel, I will show you. As you can see in my channel, it is will be appeared same as on my here. I have my channel, and as you can see here, same, and there it will be not anywhere cropping and anything else. Now let's go to the start that changing on customization. You should be in this rectangle. I add there this one, you can be off, and this one is on. This is should be off, and on this one, and double click on it, and here you can select your color which you like that color. Example, I will add this one color here. Any type of color you can choose, and I select this one. Okay, so and next step is you have to do that. You have to change your logo. You go to double click here, go to desktop, and I have a logo. We are gonna to make a logo, make a banner, a channel art for YouTube channel, and I Control Z, and here my logo is here. Then Control T, press the Control T, and then Shift Alt. When you press the Shift Alt, it can be on the look here, as you can see here, I put my logo is here, then I can minimize and go to here, and my logo is here. As you can see here, I can be off, that I can put it here in the middle, in the center. And the next tab here, I have some I was created, so I can delete it. And this one videos here, this one you can change it. Double click on this one text file and edit it, and here you can type subscribe me for more food videos, cooking food. Here you can see, as I did edited this one, and same as in my previous tutorials I did same. And here this one text you can change that, and you can add here, example your cooking name and etc what you want. As you can see there in logo, food circle, so you can add here food cooking ideas, as you can see here, and I add this one ideas. So as this one is the really looking pretty good, and as you can change as you want, you can change this size and etc what you want to do with it. I just put in on the which is fixed on the here. Then I click on here and Control T and Shift Alt press, and then drag, apply it and drag with this move tool. Use this, and here you can change here color, background color, and you can change this one picture. You can add here anything what you want. Example, any food. I will download a PNG file from Google. Food PNG. Any type of food you can add there. Example, a recipe, or what else you want. Example, what kind of food we should add there. Example, there is a index of content. Example, just for example, I download this one, and as you can as you want, which one you want to add your food. If you have there any food picture, and then you can add there. So here my picture, and I put it because my channel is related to tech, so I add that one. Okay, as you can see here, I need to edit this one because there is a this one PNG file is not good, so I need to remove that, this one blurry background and anything there's something white, and I will delete this. Okay, I'm using the tool, that one is a lasso tool, and select all and press the delete button. It is deleted. Okay, so if for example I will put it here, and there is this one is my background image, and first I will select this one and Control T and Shift Alt press and drag it here, and you can add here as a you give there. Okay, this layer is off. I just the other one layer is off, and that is my dimension sizes for my this sizes for my cell phones, for my tablet, PC, and anything else where it can be watch YouTube. And here you can give their shadow. Click on FX, blending, go to drop shadows, and here you can see there is shadow. It should be there 90 degree. Okay, and here you can add a little bit shadow, so it should be look like professional. Okay, so as you can see here your logo, and you can click on logo here, 14 layer, and click blending and click on the drop shadow. Here you can add also the shadow here. Okay, and here I have to fix the opacity, drop shadow and opacity. Okay, that's fine. Now I can decrease a little bit, and it's look like more good and more attractive. So here you can change your background color. Here double click on it, rectangle, double click on rectangle, and you can change here double click on rectangle, and you can change it their color, which color you want. Example, black color. It's look like more pretty good. Okay, so here you can see here, as you can see here, it's a really good a banner art for your logo, for your for your channel, any type of your channel you can make, and you can pictures, images and png files from Google. So if you liked my videos, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. On here you can see my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and like, share my videos for others help, so they can learn a lot of things on my channel in Urdu and English. You can get a link PST file, this one PST file link from my this one description. Look in description, you can find the link of the Google Drive, and you can download it, and you can edit it anytime, anywhere on the Adobe Photoshop software. So as you can see here, I have the many tutorials of the Adobe Photoshop. If you don't know how to edit a pictures in Adobe Photoshop, so just watch my these two tutorials, so you will learn. If you want to learn about the another things like add mob earnings, add logo designs, add cloud storage, what is cloud storage, and fiverr and others compressed videos and etc, have a lot of videos about you. So just subscribe my channel and watch my videos, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.